For generations, highly skilled American workers have built this great country by hand, welding bridges, constructing plants, and creating the infrastructure for the cities that support our economy. While building our country, these men and women also build careers that help them create a better, more fulfilling life for themselves and their families. It's called the American Dream. Today, there are huge demands for skilled craftspeople, such as welders, pipe fitters, electricians, millwrights, carpenters, plumbers, heavy equipment operators, and more. So if you like building things and you're looking for a great career, a nice home, and all the things that help you enjoy life to the fullest, Associated Builders and Contractors can help put you on a career path that leads to fulfilling your goals. Because at ABC, building the American dream is what we're all about.
I'm only 18 years old, and I've got a career set for the rest of my life. You know, I just went and bought a brand new truck. I go out and have fun with my friends every weekend. Like to have a good time, sit back and watch the football game.
You can start as a helper in any particular craft and move all the way into supervision. You're not bound by any ceiling because of a college education.
A career path may include classroom education, on-the-job training, and a career network, so you can carry these skills with you for the rest of your life, wherever you may go. Currently, over 85% of the construction workforce in the United States is made up of merit shop craftspeople, just like those who train through ABC. Combine that with the fact that their average age is 47, and you see there's a great need across our country for skilled craftspeople. So now is a great time to begin a career that will lead to great rewards now and in the future.
Because I went to the ABC school, I got my certifications, and you basically can't go in the construction business without some kind of paperwork.
Now that I'm certified, you know, my thirst for welding is, you know, it's gotten bigger. I don't want to just be a structure welder, but I want to go all the way.
Associated Builders and Contractors, or ABC, is an advocate for merit-based production, which means you get paid based on how you perform. So we not only provide you with the skills and knowledge you need for a career, we also teach you how to perform at a higher level to make sure you reap the rewards. So what makes ABC's training so special?
I started going to ABC my 11th grade year in high school. My first time going there, I was just amazed that they could have such nice facilities. All their machines are new, and just everybody there had a smile on their face. Very nice people, and you know, they knew what they were talking about.
Number one thing we look for is those guys have gone and completed their ABC training. Whether it's welding, pipe fitting, millwright, we see that on their application. We interview them, we know that they're the real deal.
We've had very good success working with the ABC program. We've been affiliated with ABC for years, and the training program at ABC has grown to a point to where if anyone decides that they want to get into the construction industry, this program really is adapted for someone to learn the trade while they're working in the field, and that they can grow quickly, and within 4 years they could get a quality education, certification, and become a journeyman in whatever selected trade that they're interested in.
They taught us everything from the ground up, and I use it every day.
Whenever we get someone out of the ABC program, we're very confident that they have a very good basis and background in the safety aspect of the industry. So we feel very confident when we put them into our workforce that they'll adapt very well to our safety standards because of that background they've learned in the ABC curriculum.
If you love to work with your hands, have a knack for building things, and like to learn on the job, a career path as a skilled craftsperson could be right for you.
I didn't know what I wanted to do when I graduated, but I knew I didn't want to work behind a desk or wear a tie. I started off as a helper, decided I wanted to increase my skills, so I went to ABC school. I soon moved up to a journeyman, then moved to a foreman, supervisor, and project manager. Pretty soon, I'd like to start my own company.
All of my senior year, I was a welder's helper at a little fabrication shop. I decided to go to the ABC school, and I spent 3 months there training, learning from the best. As soon as I got done out of school, I got the job of a lifetime. They offered me the job, and I took it, and I enjoy every bit of it.
I chose welding because I get to work with my hands and I get to perfect what I do.
ABC can help you earn nationally recognized credentials that, in the industrial world, are like a college degree, but much more economical than attending a university. Along with this certification comes good pay, the chance for advancement, and the ability to work anywhere in the world.
I want to travel. I want to go to up north. I want to go Alaska. I want to go to Saudi Arabia. I want to go to Australia. I want to go everywhere.
Kid gets out of high school, he's 18. Next thing you know, he has a boat, he has a big fancy truck. Hey, he's making a lot of money at a young age, and that's the start of his career. You know, and that's what people need to realize. We hire guys out of college every day, and we hire guys out of high school. Those guys that go to ABC, they get out of high school, make more money than the guys we hire right out of college. And in the long term, those guys that run our projects make a fortune.
Although most of our ABC-trained skilled craftspersons enjoy the good pay and benefits that come along with a career in the construction industry, at the end of the day, they also like being able to look back at their work with a sense of pride and accomplishment.
There's definitely a big sense of accomplishment that comes whenever you work in construction. You know, when you were a kid, you built little birdhouses with your dad. Now, with your friends at work, you're building big towers and stuff, just unbelievably huge things that you never thought possible. You build them every day.
After you get done working, you can look back and say, hey, I put that there. Hey, you work long hours, you built that structure. And that's something not a lot of people can say.
You get to look at your work and say, man, I did that.
You can be with your family and friends and just passing by playing. You know, you see a unit like, I built that unit, you know, that's, you know, we installed all the electrical and instrumentation in that unit, and it's up and running without any problems. So that's very rewarding, where you can point and show, hey, I was part of that.
Some of our ABC-trained craftspersons eventually move into management positions and even go to work for themselves or open their own business. Imagine that, being your own boss. And as an ABC graduate, after you enter the workforce, you can return throughout your career for lifelong learning classes at night. This training helps to improve your skill set or receive instruction in areas where you might need help.
During my course of working, I was sent to school by my company to ABC. You know, I was able to still work and provide for my family and go to school and get an education being an electrician.
Some ABC graduates even decide they want to expand their career options into another field. Whatever your goals may be, ABC can provide the education you need at any point in your career.
You can tell the guys that went to ABC, you know them. I mean, they make an impact on our industry. That's the biggest thing you can say. I mean, ABC makes a difference. I mean, the guys that go to ABC, those are the guys that are our leaders, our future leaders. And what we say is we recruit them at the high school level, we get them in ABC, we take them, I mean, and they're so far ahead of the rest of the pack. And now those guys are running major projects for our company, $100 million projects for our company.
As you can see, training at Associated Builders and Contractors is a gateway to not only a career, but also a bright future where your goals and dreams are all within reach. For more information or how to find the ABC chapter nearest you, visit our website at abc.org. We also look forward to hearing from you and hope we can help you build your American dream.